Someone wanted me to do quadrobics in the outfit with the... I'll try and do it now. Can you guys still see me? Oh yeah. Hey, just tail. Okay. Okay, well I'm gonna try doing it on the ground. We'll start from over here. Oh, they look cute as all pie. I just hoovered this carpet, so. I'm wagging my tail, wagging my body, like wolves and dogs and stuff do, don't they? They wag their bodies as well. Mew. Oh, I'm so cute. Mew. I'm a wolf that mews. Mew. Pad, 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 pad. Cute as pie. Pad, pad. I'm just gonna go get my paws. My hands look pretty cute. Ow, my knees. I need my, oh, that's an outfit that looks good actually with the knee pads. The knee pads actually look really good. Like part of the outfit. Just remind me, and they keep my legs warm in case I ever want to go out with them on. Oh. Okay, are we ready? Pad, 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 pad. Hang on. Pad. All right. You ready? Aw. Mew. Oh, so cute. That's so cute. Oh, let me tuck them in here. I'm trying to anyway, it's not working. Oh well. Mew. Mew. They're being cute as all pie. Aww. Pad, pad, pad. You. Pause. That hurts my stomach. Mum, peppermint. Oh shoot, she asked me for a peppermint. Oops. Oop. How am I the cutest? The hat looks really cute. What if you'll stay like that? Because that's really cute. I had a hat like this that was all fluffy and puffy, you know. Naturally fluffy like this one. Mew, 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 mew. Pad, 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 pad. I'm a fluff now. This is fluff mode. Mew, 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 mew. Oh, I don't want to get out of fluff mode. Mew. Mew. Hi, paw. Hi, paw. Oh my god, that is so cute. Hi, paw. Hi, paw. Aw. I need a tissue. Oh no, not again. Little claws sticking out. There's my little claws. Which perfectly align, almost perfectly align the pads. Yep, that's pretty cool. Sorry, pad. Ready? Steady. Go.